These bracelets made from yarn and pipe cleaners are a take on friendship bracelets, but they're much quicker to make, so you can make a lot in no time at all. So let me show you how. For this project, you will need a ruler, a pipe cleaner, matching yarn, an accent color of yarn, fingernail clippers, and scissors. Start by cutting 5 feet of yarn for the base color of your bracelet. This should be the same color as the pipe cleaner. Cut 2 feet of your accent color. Hold the 2 pieces of yarn together at one end and tie them with a simple knot at the end of your pipe cleaner. Now keep your accent color out of the way, and we're just going to work with the base color. And we're going to wrap the base color around the pipe cleaner and the tails to hide those away. So keep the tails against the pipe cleaner and wrap the base color around. The easiest thing to do is just twist the pipe cleaner and keep each wrap very close together to hide the tails. Okay, once you've done that, that's probably the hardest part of the whole thing. We're going to continue wrapping with your base color all the way up the pipe cleaner. Now there's a few ways to do this. Is you can simply wrap like this, keeping each wrap close to the other one so you don't have the little strands on the pipe cleaner sticking out. This will take you a lot longer. I find the easiest way to do it is to hold the pipe cleaner with my pointer finger and place my thumb right where the wrapping is happening so that the tail of the yarn is coming out like that. So I'm just holding the yarn in place, and then I'm going to twist the pipe cleaner, just putting gentle pressure on that yarn. So you can see that it creates a really smooth wrap and keeps the little strands of the pipe cleaner from poking out. So I'm going to continue to do that down the whole length of the pipe cleaner. When you get to the end, leave about a ½ inch or so of the pipe cleaner at the end and tie a simple knot with your yarn. And just leave that in place for now. Now we're going to start with the accent color. And with the accent color, we're just going to wrap it loosely so that we can still see the white in between. So I'm going to twist the end so you can see that I've got these about, I don't know, the wrap's about a ½ inch apart. You can do whatever makes sense to you. And do this down the length of the pipe cleaner. Once I get to the end, hold the 2 pieces of yarn together, and on this end I'm going to form the loop of the clasp of the bracelet. So you're going to make a loop that's about 3/4 of an inch long, and with the tail of that pipe cleaner, hold it against the base of the bracelet, hold your 2 pieces of yarn together and wrap it around so that you're closing that loop. Make sure you cover the very bottom of that piece of pipe cleaner. You can trim the ends of the yarn if they're a little bit too long to work with easily at this point. And you just want to wrap those around and tie a knot. And I'm going to trim the ends pretty close to the knot. Now you could put a little dab of clear nail polish or glue there to make sure that that knot is going to stay put. Well, on the other end, use the fingernail clippers to cut off that little extra pipe cleaner, being careful not to cut the yarn. And then I'm going to fold down the end as tightly as I can and coil the end into a circle to make the button closure for the loop. So you want to coil that to the size where it fits through the loop snugly, and then it will be big enough to stay put once you close the bracelet loop. And you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for new craft ideas every week.